Hello and welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, you will learn how you can convert an Excel file to Word. This can be done by copying Excel data and pasting it into Word document. Highlight the Excel data that you want to copy, right click on it and click Copy. Open Word document. Click on the location where you want your Excel data. In the Home tab, click Paste and click Paste Special. This will open the Paste Special window. If you don't want the Word document to get automatically updated whenever the Excel data is updated, select the Paste option. If you want the Word document to get automatically updated whenever the Excel data is updated, select the Paste Link option. Select the Microsoft Excel Worksheet Object option and click OK. Your Excel data will be in your Word document. That's all. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below. If you found my tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also hit the bell icon to get notified about my new uploads.